Mandatory licensing is the industry standard and is in keeping with legal compliance in many cases. Properly licensing your Nutanix products also safeguards against unknowingly running in an unsupported state and ensures continuous access to Nutanix support. Here is how to license Prism Central and Prism Element at the same time. In Prism Central, click on the Settings icon, select Licensing, and then Manage Licenses in Admin Center. In this video, we will choose Manually Manage Licenses. There are just 3 steps. First, download your cluster summary file. Secondly, upload the cluster summary file to the support portal. Log in to move forward. Under Manage Licenses, we'll choose Prism Central, Prism Element. Here, select Use CSV files and hit Proceed. Now, upload the file. Every environment will be different, so you may have many CSV files to select from. We are showing a simplified process. Now, finally, step 3. Upload the license summary file. Click on Apply License. In Prism Element Settings, check to see that the licenses have been applied. Leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.